One of the things that I noticed as I test drove this vehicle is as I drove it, then the check engine light would start flashing. Whenever check engine light starts flashing, it instantly tells me that I've got a misfire going on. We hooked the scanner up to it. We was able to determine that it indeed did have a misfire, multiple misfires from multiple cylinders, so we changed the spark plugs and did a tune-up on it. What that then did is it allowed us to clear the check engine light for the spark plugs and for the misfires. The customer actually brought it to us for a different concern. He had a concern about his transmission. He felt like there was an issue going on with his transmission. We was unable to duplicate the issue with his transmission. We was unable to retrieve any transmission codes